Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out PEPE COIN's price chart, and in the short term I'm actually seeing some optimistic signs. So first things first, if you remember in the previous video on PEPE, we talked about this potential wedge structure. And why am I saying potential wedge? Because I said if you want to say that this pattern is confirmed, you need to see a move on the upside in order to go above the upper line, followed by a pullback and then a continuation of the move up in order to take this important high. And right now we are on track, so let's hope that this pattern is going to get confirmed, and I think we are actually on the verge of confirming it, which as a result of that we probably are able to count on this move continuing for quite a bit. Also, again, I'm gonna say it, I'm not really sure if you are a fan of classic patterns, but if you like them, then okay, you should probably also consider this head and shoulder structure right in here. And surprise, surprise, even this thing is not confirmed yet. You need to be just a little bit more patient and see, are we going to get a break of this neckline or not? And we might be right now on the verge of getting a break of it, but we are not completely there yet. And by the way, by breaking it once more, I mean we go above the line, do a very slow and choppy pullback, and then we get a continuation of the move up. At that point, if we do that, you can count on this move up to continue for quite a bit. And in terms of Elliott Waves, I think you are able to say maybe from this point, this is a wave 1, followed by a correction for wave 2 to around here, and the next move is going to be a good one up into wave 3, correction for 4, and what's next? Yet another continuation of this uptrend into wave 5. So you see, Elliott's Waves also sort of kind of supports this scenario, suggesting we are going to get a move up in PEPE, but it all at the moment depends on the current move and whether we are going to get through our short-term resistances or not. If we do so, great sign. And ultimately, if you do not want to be bullish for like very short term and you want to say even from the current point we are going to get a move down, you know what, fair enough, I absolutely respect your opinion. And we also checked out this scenario in the previous video. You see, in terms of Elliott's Waves, we said, look, in PEPE coin we are having a low in here and the other ones are lower lows, but in MACD we are having a low in H1 time frame and the other ones are higher lows. So essentially this is a great looking bullish divergence, suggesting bears are running out of steam, and as a result of that we can expect a move up. But again, I said if you want to be bearish, then okay, you need to be a bit patient and see, are we going to get a move down? And in that phase, have your eyes on this important divergence line, because the moment that we get a break of it, number one, the bullish divergence is going to get completely invalidated, and as a result of it we cannot count on a move up anymore. And number two, in most cases whenever we are breaking a bullish divergence line, at that point our move down is going to accelerate quite a bit. So for now, let's be optimistic in PEPE in the short term, as long as I'm not proven otherwise. And when is it going to be that we're going to be proven otherwise? When we get a break of this line. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in PEPE coin. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.